Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I thought it would be fun to show you how I decorated for Halloween this year and a few fun DIY Halloween garlands. I'm a little bit obsessed with holiday garlands at the moment, so I thought it would be fun to make one this year. So let's get started. The supplies you'll need are small foam craft balls, black spray paint. I used a black glittery spray paint. Googly eyes. I used 3 different styles. Plastic animal eyes. I found these by the Googly Eyes. A hot glue gun and glue sticks. For the hooks, I used Christmas hooks and cut them with a wire cutter. Black and white, and green and white. String or yarn, but you can use whatever color you would like best. Black cardstock. I'm using a glittery black cardstock. Orange tissue paper and brown and black pipe cleaner things, whatever they're called. You know, those things. White tissue paper and a plastic lace tablecloth, scissors, and a red marker for the veins on the eyeballs. These things are optional. White spray paint, but the foam balls are white, so you don't necessarily need that. A ruler and these wood skewers to help turn the foam balls while you're spray painting them. First, I'm making the hooks, and I just had a bunch of these Christmas hooks on hand. Always use what you got on hand, right? Okay, so start by opening them up and use the wire cutter to cut them in half. Gently hold the top of the hook and turn it to form a circle, and then repeat the same step so many times because you'll need so many hooks. First, we're making these adorable bats using everything here. I'm going to start by drawing the bat wings. They do not need to be perfect. I think it's kind of fun when they're not. It adds a little more character to each bat. Make sure to leave a tab at the start of the wing. I did 3 points on my wings, just like that. Cut them out, fold the tab. We'll hot glue that part to the foam ball. Hot glue the googly eyes on. Then the wings on the sides. Add the hook to the top and string onto the yarn or string. I like to tie them onto the string so that they stay in place. I also like to measure the space in between to make sure that it's the same distance apart. And that's it. How cute are these ghosts? Here are the supplies that you'll need. I cut white tissue paper and a plastic lace tablecloth into about 10 by 10 inch squares. Start with the lace square, place the tissue on top, hot glue the foam ball into the center, and then form a ghost shape. And you could totally stop here. It would still be a really cute ghost, but I really love the way that it looked with the lace on top. So next, hot glue the ghost to the center of the lace and again form a ghost shape. Next, I'm going to hold the top of the ghost and open up the lace. Add a few dots of hot glue around the tissue. And remember, it's really hot, so be careful because it will burn through the plastic tablecloth. So let it dry for a second and just be really careful. And then again, kind of form that same ghost shape and it will glue the lace to the tissue. And then just hot glue down any pieces that are kind of poking up. Glue on the googly eyes, add the hook to the top, and your ghost is ready. I really love these little pumpkins because you can keep them up all fall long. Here are the supplies you'll need. Start by placing 2 square pieces of the orange tissue paper on top of each other. Next, cut a piece of the brown pipe cleaner. This is going to be our stem. Place the ball into the center of the first piece of tissue paper and form to the ball. Open the tissue and cut off the excess tissue, then hot glue that down. Form the second tissue paper to the pumpkin and hot glue as you go. I'm using green and white string to tie a bow around the top, cut off excess tissue, add a hook, and that's it. These eyeballs are so spooky and easy to make. I did spray paint the foam ball white, not necessary, but I kind of like how it looks. I'm using 3 different types of animal eyes. Just push those into the foam ball. Then use the red marker to draw the veins onto the eyeballs. Add the hook to the top. How easy was that? These spiders were totally a last minute idea, but turned out to be my very favorite. So again, we're using a foam ball that is spray painted black. And then I just formed these spider legs with black pipe cleaner. And you'll need 8 legs They're super easy to push into the foam ball. Glue on the googly eyes, add the hook to the top, and they're done and adorable. I made a garland of each, but honestly, I love how it looked having all of them on one garland best. That's it for my DIY garlands. Now let's decorate. I got this candlestick holder and candles at Hobby Lobby. I wanted the candles to look used, so I burned the top and used a lighter to melt the sides. I love this dripping effect. My pom-pom garland is from Pearl and Jane Etsy shop, and my spiderweb garland is from Target. I always love to have family pictures up, so I normally decorate around them. Next, I'm just going to fill in with pumpkins and candles. I got this tree from Target. These small LED lights are so much fun and look really cute at night. And I really think everything came together because of these spider or cobwebs. I'm just putting it on everything. The benefit of having a fake fireplace is you can fill it with all sorts of things, and I decided it would be fun to fill it full of pumpkins. This is a Scentsy warmer that I've had for a while, and it's just so cute. I really love how it looks here. Since my mantle is wood, I have 2 small nails hammered into each side. You can also use command hooks for this. And we're just going to tie each end of the garland to the hooks. All right, you guys, that's it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me while I decorated. Let me know if you liked this video, if you would like to see more like this. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.